on the train. We're going to beat. So I can't talk about getting on a train, so this is the paid walk. This is paid, so we're going to meet to the first.
Yeah, it was just 4 days.
We're not going to be so just do it. Say hi. You know I'm uploading this for my channel. Now.
Don't get rid of
No idea what I'm doing.
What's your weapons?
So we'll be going shopping. Excited. We should be there soon.
I'm going to read it.
Hang on. Are you actually walking? Mom, do you want to go on the video and put it on YouTube? No, do it on Mummy. If you're uploading it on YouTube.
Say hi.
I'm videoing.
No. I'm not playing right now.
We're vlogging. Literally, we're with my family, except my dad. He's sleeping. Going to Leeds, and we're nearly there. I'm happy. What is that? Oh my god, it's like a circle, like brightness. Whoa, guys, you can see that, but it's cool. Yeah, I know it's called a sun. It's just like a little line. You can see Swift Justice. That's right, the newspaper. Okay, turn it around now. Okay, we're reading the newspaper. So, look at those cabbies!
Shrek video.
Piggies, I mean. Look at them. Oh my god, horses! It's a little farm. So, Swift, I'll help.
Sometimes I struggle to understand.
Look at Taylor Swift!
I struggle.
Look at Taylor Swift! Not the one in the middle, not the one to the left. Alright.
They understand because they grew up watching.
We have some coffee. We have a weird girl.
I'm going to catch up.
We got Donald Trump. No, it's
as if it's a new
too little, too late. Donald Trump. Hey guys, I'm vlogging with somebody and Mommy ate her today. Yeah. Where's Donald Trump? He's squashing Donald Trump. Too little, too late, Donald Trump. Yeah. So this is boy.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
What are you doing this for? That's how you vlog.
So yeah.
Please upload and do every day. Vlog that live.
Oh my god, someone wrote on that. So I'm gonna end the vlog in a minute.
What was on Disney? We got apparently he left because he was too long. But I think he got.
Right now to Barnsley. Barnsley next station stop. The next station stop in its service after Barnsley is Wakefield Kirby.
Anyway, I'm gonna leave it here now, so I'll see you guys. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.